Hey gang, it's Matt. Today on Canteen Cup Tuesday, I'm doing something that might be brilliant or it might be a total disaster. We got 2 eggs, 1 bag of tater chips, no pan. We're cooking it up in boiling water in the canteen cup. If this works, I'm a genius. If it doesn't, I really don't know what we're gonna get. So let's go. Okay, thanks for joining me again. Before we get started, YouTube still tells me that 81% of you watching right now are not subscribed to the channel. So if you could do me a big favor and drop down and hit the subscribe button, give me a like and give me a comment on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. It would really help me with the algorithm, and you can always change your mind later. Okay, I saw this recipe and I thought this has got to be done. And I haven't really done it before, and I don't know what's going on. We're going to do a potato chip omelet in the canteen cup on the burner. And we're going to use the simmer ring again because it's working so well. So what we got to do first is got to get a bag of chips. And I think I got a big bag. I got a big bag of chips. That's kind of big. So what we got to do first is you got to crush up the chips. So we're going to crush them up. There's not many chips in there. You know, the bag of chips, they say this huge bag of chips, it's filled to like there with chips. So I'm going to get them so they're nice and crunchy. That feels, all right, that feels pretty good. All right, pop this open. See where we're doing. All right, okay. You know, literally, there's literally that much chips in here. I swear, I'm so unhappy with the portion sizes, but I think that's going to be good. So now, what we're going to do is I'm going to try to figure out how much water I'm going to need. That's about 1 cup. And I don't want it, when I push this down, the water's going to come up. So, okay, so we're going to, all right, that's going to be enough to boil it, I think. I don't know. I'm making this up as I go. Okay, so we got about that much water. Now, I'm going to go and we're going to get the stove started. All right, let's get the stove started because it's a little cold in Central Florida today. I mean, it's like 50 degrees, which is, you know, some of y'all are going to laugh. But one reason why I'm at the workbench of death again is because it has been so dry lately and we're in like a moderate drought and there's a red flag fire warning today. So all it would take is one mistake with this alcohol burner out in all of that tinderbox of swamp that I go to, and I would burn up 1,000 acres of woods, and I don't want to do that. So here I can only burn my house down. So we're going to put probably about a half, again, because we want the flamethrower on to start with, so we can boil the water, and then we're going to use the simmering. So. Okay, we're finally going. All right, and I do have my gloves standing by. Okay. Now, we'll be right back when that's boiling. Okay, while the water's boiling, we got to do a little bit of prep work. We got to get these eggs in to this bag of chips. So I'm going to do... Boy, that exploded it. Ooh. All right. If we get some shell in there, who cares? It'll be just like some chips. All right. Oh, God, man. These eggs are not... This isn't the cleanest thing ever in the world. All right. So now we have shredded chips and 2 raw eggs in the bag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to crush up my eggs with the chips to make a nice slurry of eggs and chips. All right. Let's see how it is. It needs some more. Because I got to get those egg yolks really broken up. All right, and I did take out like half of the chips because it was there was a little too much chips. So, all right, we're going. All right, yummy. All right, now I'll move this back over. And we're gonna get us up here. How about that? Okay, and we'll come back when the water is boiling, which should not be too long. All right, we're getting pretty hot. You notice that I got on my gloves today because I almost had a mine disaster last time. Ooh. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fold over the top and see if I can. Ooh. Oh man, my chip bag exploded. My chip bag is melting. All right, we're gonna have to take this off. Put the simmer ring on. Put that back on. Ah. All right. Ooh, man, my chip bag is too big and my chips started melting. But you know, I don't really care. We're going to see this through because at Florida Boy Survival, that's what we do. Adversity. All right, I'm just going to kind of see. I had a meltdown on the chip bag. So I'm just going to leave it. See what happens. Okay. All right, the simmer ring is doing its job pretty well. I can see down there it's lightly boiling, so I don't know how long this is going to take to cook. I had to add some more chips. I don't know if it's going to work because I had a bag blowout right there, so we'll see what happens. All right, y'all know this is real and unrehearsed when you have a bag blowout like that. I got my gloves off because I don't really need them right now, but I got a feeling that we're going to need some gloves pretty soon. All right, this is starting to boil up pretty good. Still a little juicy in there. So I'm going to leave this. I have no idea whether I had any more bag blowouts or not, but you know, this is just going to be the way it is. You can see it's boiling, starting to boil up pretty good. So we'll wait a few minutes. All right, we're about 5 minutes in, and it's still, our water's really boiling. You can see our bag blowouts there. I don't want to get that. I got to hold this up so the contents goes to that side because I don't want the water going in there, and I don't want the egg junk coming out. So I'm just gonna, everything else looks pretty good other than this one little bag blowout there, which the heat of the Canteen Cup melted the bag because I got too big of a bag of chips. But I think this is still gonna work. Okay, what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to move my contents around a little bit. Be kind of hot. Maybe flip it. Let's just take a little check, see what's going on in there. Well, you know, it is cooking. If I could get this to flip, I think, oh, that was it. Okay. All right. A little bit more cooking. Man, look at that blowout. All right. A little bit more cooking. All right, and then I think we're ready. All right, you know what? That was another minute or two. And I think we're ready. So I'm going to take this out. Set it right there. And I'm going to try to move this stove over so it doesn't destroy me. And don't throw away that water, because you can make coffee or anything else that you want to make out of the water. Now, we got a nice little mixture in our green cup of bacon bits and cheese. So I'm just going to dump it in there. I don't care, dude. I don't know what I'm doing. There's my blowout hole. All right. Now we're going to let this sit just like that. And then we're going to come back in a few minutes and our omelet should be ready. Okay, so I figured as long as I had this nice hot water, we're going to make some coffee in the green cup. So there we go. Ooh. Oh man, look at this omelet and coffee. There's our omelet. Here's our coffee. Here's our stove that's about to burn out. So I'll come back when we're ready to roll. All right, here we are. The stove is out. The simmer ring worked perfectly again. Our leftover water created us some wonderful instant coffee in our green cup. And, you know, we got to take a sip. Ah, man, that's good. All right. So here is the moment of truth. Look at that blowout I had. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Kind of leave that up. We're going to get our knife because we're going to use this as the plate. Okay. Okay. Hey, you know. Look at this. A bacon and cheese omelet? Holy mackerel. With coffee to go on the side and our wonderful Dollar Tree cutlery set. Oh, you know, there's only one thing missing from this, in my opinion. And as you all know, nothing would ever be complete without our old friend, Cristal hot sauce. And y'all know me, just a drop. Ooh. Oh man. Oh, this is gonna be so good. All right, let me take you up and I'll show you our creation here. All right, this was almost terribly screwed up by me, but I don't know if you can see that. This is a bacon and cheese omelet with chips, and the chips, I think, make it like hash browns. Let's see. Dude, that is really good. Let's get some bacon and cheese. Oh. Oh man. That is so good. It needs more hot sauce though. Holy cow. Oh. The chips got in there mixed with the eggs. And it's not like hash brownish, you know. I had to take out some chips because I bought the wrong size bag, and it was almost a disaster because I got a blowout. And let me see. This is a hunk. This is how it comes out when the eggs cook with the chips in there. Who knew? This is great. On a bag of chips, and what you do is you just cut open the bag of chips and use the bag of chips as your plate. Here we go. Potato chip omelet, done in boiling water in the Canteen cup, and you actually get to salvage some of the boiling water for coffee out of the green cup. And y'all know I'm a member of the Green Cup Society, so when you drink from the green cup, you got to hold your finger out like that. Ah, that's great. A little salt and pepper out of the Bushcraft Spice Kit would be great. Okay, once again, if you like this video and you want to see more content like it, please drop down and subscribe. Leave me a like on the video and leave me a comment about what you thought about this video, and maybe send me a recipe for what you want to see on a Canteen Cup Tuesday next week. So, once again, with our potato chip omelet, this is Matthew, Florida Boy, and I'll see you on the trail.